whether you are joining from UAE, India, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Pakistan, or anywhere else in the world, we are officially live on day 3 of TDX 26 30-day Agent Blazer Challenge. My name is Misbah, and over the next 60 minutes, we are going to set up with you with everything you need to hit and start running your Agent Blazer journey. So, can everybody hear me? Leela, am I audible?
Audible, thank you very much. And I encourage anybody to, if you have questions, either you can raise your hand or you can put it in the chat. And then at the pause, when Misbah takes a pause, we will attend to the questions. So there will be a good flow of the instructions that are coming through with Misbah's presentation.
Yes.
Thank you, Misbah.
So special thanks to everybody who has joined. So my name is Misbah. I'm a technical architect and I'm a design authority lead. I'm also a community group leader for Dubai, and I'm also co-organizer of Dubai Dreaming. Maham was supposed to join us, but I think there is some technical issue. She is unable to join. So along with me, Leela is assisting me. She is one of the most active person in the Trailblazer community. Leela, if you would like to introduce yourself.
Everybody, I'm so happy to be part of this amazing community that Misbah and Maham together lead here for all of us. And it's just such a beautiful place. You will have your own personal experience as part of the community. Everybody is so willing to share their expertise because I am totally new to Salesforce platform, and the support system that I have received, the love and the affection in selflessly sharing and helping me to grow in the Salesforce domain, I cannot express it in words. So I would not like to take a minute more of the time, and I would love to hand it over to Misbah so that you can capture every single beautiful word that he is going to share with us so that we can grow together and move from champion to innovator to legend. Inshallah, we'll get this in this 1 month. Thank you, Misbah. Over to you.
So this program, just to give you a hint, this program is sponsored by Salesforce Global Workforce Development Team. So all certification vouchers, whatever we will receive, it is from them. So let me give you the big picture before we go any deeper. This challenge runs from March 15th, from Sunday, through April 13th. That's 30 days. In those 30 days, you have one goal: earn your Agent Blazer Legend 2026 status on Trailhead. So basically, there are 3 levels if somebody is new here. So Champion 2026, the foundation concepts, and mostly it is covering the first agent business use cases. Then it is the mid-level innovator, the builder level, which has some super badges and the real agent deployments. And then we have the legend status. It is expert level, advanced builds, data cloud, and it has AI specialist certification requirement. So we will be having 4 sessions together. Today is the session 1. The other will be scheduled later based on the need. So the main target is we are going to finish by 13th April, and TDX is starting on April 15th in San Francisco. So the goal is to arrive at TDX, whether in person or virtually, as a certified agent blazer. So let's start. So what is required? So I suppose all of you have filled the form. Second, the most important thing is you might have joined the group, the workforce development group. It is mandatory to join because we will not be sending any emails. All notification, progress updates, everything will be there. The third thing is make sure your Trailhead profile is public. If you haven't made it public, just let me show you how you can make it public. Uh, Share screen. Okay.
Is there a link to join the workforce development group?
Yes, there is a link. It was mentioned in the form. If you like, let me just paste
Kind
that link in
Yes.
the chat also. So, so this is the group I have just pasted in the chat. Let me share screen. It's weird. It's not letting me share my screen. Anyhow, let me just try to share entire screen. So you can see my screen now. Hello. Can
Uh,
Leela, my screen?
Not yet. Not yet.
Okay. So, because here it is showing
Now
me
we
that.
can see. Now we can see it.
So all you need to go is just go to your profile and go to settings, and you just need to make it public. Okay. Okay. Then number four is check the group for guideline. So let me just, if you join the group, there are messages related to the official guidelines and what steps you need to follow. And I will also show you the trails which we need to complete, and then you can start learning. So this is our official hashtag for social media posts. So whenever you are making any progress or you are posting anything, just use this hashtag, because with this hashtag we are able to see and repost it for the maximum reach. So let's start with what's new actually in the Agent Blazer 2026. So for champions, a brand new module becoming an Agent Blazer, this is your own orientation. So what they have added employee agent within this module, and they have added one, it's not a super badge, but just hands-on experience with the agent. I will show you exactly how you need to complete that badge. And they have actually removed some of the specific data 360 modules from the trail itself. So this is actually basically the starting point for anybody who is working with AI. So it will provide you some basic concepts about agent force, what we need to do, how AI concept work, what is the generative AI, what are the prompts, and how we can use the effective prompt builder. Because whatever you will learn in the champion trail, you are going to use it during the innovator phase, because when you are completing the super badges. So in the champion phase, it is just targeting specifically the basic level concept about how to use the Salesforce agent force, agent builder, prompt builder, these kind of concepts. So in the first phase within the champion badge, you are not required to write any code, but there are codes which will be required in the legend section. And it will not have any complex multi-agent system. So let me just share my screen specifically to the, so all you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes. So all you need to go is just go to the, rather than going to trails, it is better if you go to trailhead quests. And there is something, because if you complete these two quests, you will get automatically enrolled to get the agent force UD. You can directly go from here from learn. to become an agent blazer, and you can also go from here to champion 2026. But it's better if you complete the quest. It will also make you eligible to receive agent blazer hoodie. So what are the concepts here? So first concept, it is becoming an agent blazer. It will provide you some basic level information. What are the agent blazer statuses, how you can achieve. Then it has artificial intelligence fundamentals, the basic AI concepts, then generative AI basic. So all of this information is mostly theoretical. So what you need to do, you need to go through it, you need to answer the questions, and then you will complete your section. Then it has more concepts related to Salesforce AI. So how actually Salesforce AI works, which includes data fundamentals for AI, data AI, CRM. It's a quick look. These are very small uh, badges. You can complete it easily. Then this is the prompt fundamental, so you can understand how basically prompt builder works. And it is same agentic, the force trust layer, autonomous agent. These are just basic level concepts. Then it has the fourth section, which is the meet agent force. It is specifically designed to agent force and agent force basics. What are the building blocks for that? And then after the section, there is hands-on with the agent force. So you can join also agent blazer community. There is a Slack channel for that. You can join it and install it on there. There are many learning section material there. Then this is the badge which I was talking about, using employee agent to get work done. So it will require you to sign up for a specific org. So if you open, there is a special org which you need to install, which you need to actually sign up for. So all you need to do is, just once you will open, it will let you complete the sign up process, and then you can sign in using, and you will receive an email confirmation that your org is available. Let me just do one thing. So anybody who is new to this, all you need to do is you need to go to your hands-on org, and what you need to do is you need to connect your org after the sign up. Let me just check what was my username password for that. So it is, this is, so once you will log in, it will ask you, because you need to provide access to Trailhead Connect app, and it will ask whether you want to save it. Yes. And on your org, it will show you. So I can rename it like Champion Edition, save. So what will happen in that case? Once you will go to your quest, is my learn Trailblazer quests and becoming a champion. Uh, trail. It will also take you to the same trail which is published there. So here, when you are completing your challenges, you just need to make sure that this challenge is selected. So once you will enable all the setting, for example, it is asking you turn on agent force. So what I'm going to do, I will launch this.
Srinivas have asked for the link for the form. I have pasted it for you on the chat.
So it is saying go to setup. So whenever you will go through the badges, it will provide you complete instructions. For example, once you log in, setup, and quickly find the Einstein setup. So I went there. Fine. This time, setup. So it's already on. And you just need to make sure agent force agents. You just need to enable it. And once you enable it, it will show you these things. And you can verify whether this challenge has been, you met all the requirements of the challenge or not. So it let me complete it verified that I have met the prerequisites of the challenge. So I can now then proceed with the next step, which is, so the same way what you need to do is you need to complete all the requirements, just go through the information, how you need to do the setup, what exactly you need to do, and then you can verify yourself. So that's the only basic level information about this, because this module, this champion trail is very small and it is very simplified one. It's only for the beginner one. But if you complete the challenge, you can continue with the innovator, completing the badges. If you face any challenge, then we will have another session where we will go through the innovator super badges. Let me just go through. So that's it from my side. Leela, any question we received?
The only question we received was about the form, and I have pasted the link that you already shared because I clicked on the link, and from the link that I clicked, I just pasted it on the answer to the Mr. Srinivas who posed the question.
Okay.
No
Let
other
me,
questions have come.
yes, this is the group. If you go to that group, there is a section specifically to related to how this challenge works. It has all the information related to where exactly you need to go, how you need to keep your profile public, whether you need to attend session, and all the session information will be pasted here. When is the next session, and then these are the rules. If somebody needs to know whether you how you will qualify for the certification voucher, whether how you need to post. So that's the, just go through it. If you face any difficulty, just post a question in the group. So team will be there and they will answer.
So all that you need to do is click the button join, and you're part of the group.
Yes. And similar to like this, because somebody, I saw some people are posting question. If you face any difficulty, just post the question and screenshot or whatever you are facing. So somebody will, from the team will, they will answer.
Okay, there is one more question. I wanted to ask that voucher for certification will
Uh-huh.
be for any certification, or is it only for the agent force certificate?
No, it could be for any certification, because you, when you are filling the form, it is asking you for the which certification you are going to attend. Let me share it to us here. For example, this form, if you see, it is when you are filling the form, it is asking you that which certification you are planning to take.
Mm.
And second thing is, whatever certification you need to take, you need to, because this voucher will be issued to you, you need to complete that certification before April 30.
Before April 30th.
Yes.
There's one more question.
Yeah.
If we complete the quest, do we receive the hoodies in Dubai? Because whenever I have completed the quest, never I have received it. Is it a location issue?
No, there is something. If you check the eligibility, usually they share the information about which locations are eligible. So I have received hoodies and shirts in Dubai, but that is something you need to check. And second thing is, let me show you information related to. So if you will go to your profile or Trailblazer profile, and if you go to the same place where you make it public settings, if you go to the bottom, there is something called my address. So you need to actually keep your address up to date there.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, because most of the time they don't have any address, or there are certain countries are not eligible. Let me just share it. Let me show it. Let's check it together. Uh,
Under the profile, you have to ensure that you have your address updated.
yes, under the profile. Let me just check something which is straight correct. So
Your
if you
profile.
see eligibility for this become, so there are rules here.
And
So if it,
actually, Suhima, I think all the quests are not eligible for the goodies like all these swags. It's not coming from every quest that we are taking. Only certain quests are giving it.
yes, and second thing is, let's say if they have a criteria of 100 people and they have received more than 100, so they will distribute it randomly.
There is one. Are you showing that screen? Okay. Can we go to the next question? Is it answered, Suhima? Can we proceed to the next? One more question is there from Pradeep Kumar. How can we be able to complete legend status? Suppose if we have not done Agent Force Specialist certification, is there any other way?
See, in order to become legend, you need to complete the certification. So for the time being, we are just encouraging, because some people also ask this question. So we can share it with the Salesforce team. It's entirely up to their decision whether they want to allow people who does not have completed the Agent Force Legend certificate, Agent Force Specialist certification. So we still encourage you to complete all the prerequisites of Legend Trail, and then we can share it with the Salesforce.
I hope your question is answered,
Yeah,
Prateek.
but during the challenge, they will not issue any certification voucher.
Any further questions? Okay, Prateep is answered, Suhema is answered, Bilal is answered, Srinivas is answered. So yeah, only these questions so far.
I saw one question coming from Sanjay Sasi Kumar, that is there any Slack group available? No, currently there is no Slack group, but you can join the. You need to join actually Trailblazer group, that community group. You need to join because all updates, everything will be there. You will also receive one questionnaire survey by end of every week, just to track your progress, because it will ask you one couple of questions, whether where exactly you are, do you need any help, and whether you have completed the challenges required to in order to proceed further. Sushma is asking, is there any criteria that it should start on first mile? No, there is no criteria. You can actually complete it on your own pace. So let's say if you are able to complete all the required modules within next 2 weeks, it's fine. The only objective is by 13th, when Salesforce is accessing this data, they should be able to see how many people have completed the requirement for Legend or became Legend 2026.
Yeah, you've answered Suhema's question now about this first March and also
Yes.
Sanjay's question. One more has come. Can you please explain a little more about Salesforce quests and how this challenge is related?
See, Salesforce Quest is exactly, it will ask you to complete the same agent blazer champion trail. So the advantage with Quest is at least you will get a chance to win the hoodie. For Agent Force requirements, all you need to do is complete the Agent Force Agent Blazer Champion trail. So with Agent Force Quest, all you need to it will just make you eligible to receive a hoodie. That's the only thing. No, Sushma, it, it is you need to complete it before 31st of March. The Agent Blazer that quest, the champion quest. You need to complete all the modules before 31st March. It does not say when you should have started. It just says that before 31st you need to complete the criteria to meet all the criteria.
So far, you're getting thank yous. I don't see any further questions. Okay, so there is one question from Sanjay. Can I please get the Slack group link to join?
There is no Slack group for this challenge. It is only the group.
So basically, to interact with each other from the link that has been shared.
This is the group actually they need to start. I have champion status now, which means before 15 March yes, you are Hamlu, you are still eligible. You can proceed with the innovator and legend trails. Yeah. Let's see if anybody has any further questions, so we can.
So there's another thank you coming in. So, friends, we have actually shared the same link 3 times so far. I hope everyone has the link and everyone will join, become a member, so we can post our questions there. And we have Ms. Bahu will keep responding and guiding us and helping us to make sure that we're able to achieve a good agent blazer status.
Yes, I think it's fine then. So if everybody is fine, then we can wrap up the call, and let's see. We will then see you all in the group. All right then. Thank you, Leela. Thank you for your support.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Have a blessed day. And Ramadan Kareem and Eid Mubarak for those who are going to be celebrating shortly. And please stay safe. Bye
Yes.
bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.